Today I talk about very important social media platform, especially if you are a student or a graduate or a job seeker. This platform is called LinkedIn. Here recruiters comes and find the people profile and giving them any suitable jobs. So in order to get a good job, you need to create a professional profile here. Professional profile means that your profile have a decent banner, decent profile picture with the decent background color. You also create your personal brand here, which means you mention your skill set here. You you are a good graphic designer, or you are good at programming. So you can find these skill set with your office colleague. They tell them what you are good at, and your mentor also tell you what are your expertise and key skill set. Like Facebook, where we have a friend circle, here in LinkedIn we have our network, which is composed of the members that have the same job field as we have, and we connect them through a LinkedIn profile. So as you can see from this picture, we can search any job using a LinkedIn built-in search function. Same like if you want to join any group, we can also join a group in LinkedIn with the help of our profile. Same we can edit our any article which we can write down. So we also add a feature section in our profile, which is basically our skill sets in which we are good. For example, we are good at programming and graphic designing or web page designing. So also we can change the we can add any display picture here. Also we can add our story on the home page. So there is an option which can pronounce your name if your spelling is very hard. So LinkedIn is always evolving. That means the site is always going to change, because there are so many improvement occur nowadays. So they will change their whole website very frequently. So this is the course learning LinkedIn from beginner to professional level by Engineer Mohammed Salman. So I am Salman, and I am going to present you this course. So first let's have a look at the course outline. So in the first section I will talk about how to set up LinkedIn account with the help of your email account. So you will create an account. After that I will show you how to create a profile. So I will show you how to change your background picture or some other stuffs. After that we add a profile picture. So I will tell you what the recommended size of profile picture, what is its dimension. After that I will show you how to add a background image with our picture. After that I will personalize your headline. Basically, what is your headlines? Headlines means there are some few lines which is appear under your picture, which is the highlight of your career. So this is called the headline, which is very important. After that I will show you how to add a summary. Basically, summary is the collective information about you. It contains all the certification, all the experience, all the expertise. So you will summarize all these in here in a summary section. After that I will show you how to use the correct keyword, because if you are, for example, if you are graphic designer, you mention the word graphic designer, but this is not a searchable word. So for better word for SEO perspective is the creative director. So I will show you how to add the appropriate word in your profile. After that I will show you how to add word experience. So you can add your previous job history and your companies where you were working. After that we add our education. If, for example, if we have a degree or we have a master degree, bachelor degree or certification, we can add in this section. After that we have a section which is called feature example for your work. So what is the feature example and for your works? Basically this is the project you have done in the past. So this is display your ability to perform any project. So this is the very important section. So you can add as many good projects you have done in the past in this section. After that we have add skill and endorsement. Basically what are our skills? The skills are where we are very good. For example, we are good coder, we are good programmer, we are good negotiator, and we also mention here the softwares in which we have expertise. For example, we have expertise in Photoshop, and we have expertise in for example like .NET, .frame network and Python language. So this is the section here we can add our skill set. Also we get the endorsement from our co-worker or our seniors or our managers, so they endorse our skills. That skill I mentioned here is also endorsed by them. So this is the good way to getting a job. After that we have a get and give the recommendation. So we can also recommend someone else for some jobs, and we also receive the recommendation from the other people like our bosses or our colleagues and our managers. Also we have add another section. So in other section we can also mention our certification. For example, if we have a Cisco certification or Microsoft certification or some other type of certification, you can also add in this section. And if you have a license, so license of any type, and if you take any courses from any good institute, you also mention over here. After that we have a configure our public profile. What is public profile? If someone go to Google and search for our username, and the Google display our LinkedIn profile to them, this type of profile is called the public profile. So I will teach you how to set your public profile for the general public persons. So this, after that we have a section customer our profile URL. Basically when we log into our LinkedIn page, our profile page is something like for example LinkedIn / and ABC 1 2 3 4 5. So this is the alphanumeric string, very long string. We can short it down as with the and replace it with our username, as we did in our Facebook pages, where we have a Facebook / and our username as our profile, our home page. So we also changed our profile URL over here. After that we add a cover story. So what is cover story? The cover story is that we have an option to record our video for 30 seconds and upload into LinkedIn for recruiters. So this portray our expertise and our knowledge. So this, and also mention our skill set. So this is called our cover story pages. After that we have an option manage your network. Basically the most important feature of the LinkedIn is the benefit of getting a network professional all together in a one place, where we can share our knowledge, we can share our job experience, and if we want to solve some problem, we can solve this problem with the help of our professional network. So this is the very important feature of the LinkedIn. After that we have find the people which is the same career which we have, so we can add them as a contact and we grow our network. So for example, if I am a doctor, I am finding the doctor like me in the same field. So in this way we will build our network. So I will show you how to build your network with the help of LinkedIn search feature. After that we have a LinkedIn group. So LinkedIn group also used as for sharing information and sharing some common problem, and if you have a job opening and someone have a job opening, they exchange their views with each other, so they can help each other. After that we have a strong feature of communicate and messaging. This is the very good feature in the LinkedIn profile. For example, in this I am using this feature very often because when I start some project, I will communicate with my team with the help of this feature. Basically, this feature give me the ability to communicate with a group of people at the same time. So this I will create a group conversation, so I know what happening around my group and around my projects. After that, we have explore the feed. Basically, what is the explore the feed? Basically, this is the news feed as we have in Facebook. Here we have all the updates coming from our connections or all the pages we have subscribed on LinkedIn. So this is the news feed like a Facebook, so we can update it what's going on around our environment or our network. So this I will show you how to manage this type of thing. So we also customize our news feed, what type of content we want to watch, and we some type of content we don't want to watch. Also we want to add some hashtags here, so I will show you how to add hashtags over here. After that, we have a share updates and content. So if I want to share something from my platform to another person, so I will create a post and I can share a picture, movie or some other type of content with my network or with my coworkers. After that, we have a new feature in LinkedIn which is called publish article. So we can create an article like as we create a blog in our blogging site. So we can create a article here and we can publish to our network and all on the general public. So they can like, they can follow us. After that, we have a jobs tab. So this is the most important and critical topic of this my course, because this is the most of the time the people come here only for getting the jobs, good jobs, and switching their career. So I will show you the detailed information about the job tabs, which includes how to build a resume, how to prepare for the interview question, how to even if you know what is the potential job skill in your area, what is the salaries. So this section will tell you the exact amount of salaries that people are getting in the same field in the same field in which you are working now. After that, we have a option search for jobs. So we can search, we can go there and search for a job. For example, we can search job with the help of our job title, with the help of our skill set, with the help of our location and experience. So I will show you how to search a job on LinkedIn. After that, we have a job opening opportunity. So I will show you how to set your profile so you are open to grab any good opportunity. So recruiters are always look for any good employer. So I will show you how to set your profile in this way you can get good opportunities from the recruiters. After that, we have a turn off creator modes. Basically, the creator modes are very advanced feature, which means you show some your best skill. So you can show up to 5 skills. You don't exceed the 5 skill limits. So for example, you are good at web page designing, this is a skill number 1. You are good at a graphic designer, this is a skill number 2. So you can create your brand here. So after creating your brand here, then you have a follow mode. First you have a connection mode, but after creating this type of content, now you have a follow mode in your LinkedIn profile. After that, I will show you how to change the account setting, how to manage the account setting, like customize your account, your privacy settings, your phone number, your email address. And after that, I will show you the frequently asked questions about the LinkedIn. The most common question people always asking me about how many people view my profile, whether it is a first level connection, second level connection, or third level connection. So I will discuss these types of question in this section, and lastly I will explore the account types. Basically, there are 2 types of account in LinkedIn. One is called free account, another one is premium account, which don't have any limitation. So I will discuss the difference between them, and finally I will show you how to use the help and support feature. So this is the very comprehensive lecture course which I have designing. So after completing this course, you will be able to find any good job in any country and any job profile. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you like to watch the other videos, in that case please subscribe my channel. Again, thank you very much for your time.